On to First Alert weather tonight, and two words you need to know. Sounds like hot and humid.
And hydrate.
And okay, three words. My bad.
Make sure you're drinking water this weekend. It will be hot. Isolated storm chances. We are talking a couple of neighborhoods maybe see a shower, but overall, most of us stay dry. And because we're drier, with that heat pumping in from the southerly winds, we will see feels like temperatures start to approach that triple-digit mark. Radar has now entered clear air mode. What that means is it picks up those little dust particles in the air, and that's what you'll see right around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. None of that is rain making its way to the ground. Now that the showers have tapered off, radar does enter that clear air mode and picks up those little tiny things in the atmosphere that are not rain. Here's what we're looking at over the course of the next week. Once again, May, our wettest month of the year, typically followed by June, which starts on Monday. We are still looking at some rain over the course of the next 7 days, but most of that will not fall this weekend. Take a look at tomorrow. We're talking about 10% coverage. You see one little shower on the map there. You see a little bit more by Saturday. Here's the catch. That falls in the early morning hours and it's very light. Daytime looks dry. That's the case for Sunday. By Monday, most of this is approaching late night Monday. So daytime hours, once again, still mainly dry. With all the rain we have seen, an 8-day stretch of rain every day at DFW, even if it was just a trace, does still keep us below average for this month. We have talked about how much rain parts of North Texas have seen, spots like Hurst with 7.5 inches of rain in a 3-day period, but DFW didn't pick up quite as much. So we are still looking at a 1.37-inch deficit for the month of May. So far, we have seen just under 3 inches of rain for the month. So let's talk drought monitor. Fortunately, the drought has improved over the last couple of months. Still a pretty significant drought for the Panhandle, but for us in North Texas, that yellow that you see, that is dry conditions. You start to get into some of the tans, the oranges, and the reds. That's where you are looking at a more significant drought, which is the case for our northeastern zones. Those spots, though, where we have seen the heavy rains off to the west of us, western North Texas, that is where things are mainly in the clear from that drought. I do want to talk about those shower chances that we will see west of us over the upcoming weekend. Those are going to come in from a dry line, but notice how many of them do not make their way far enough east to get into North Texas. It is that dry line setup. Most of that shower activity sticks well to our west. We'll see a few clouds here and there, but because we're not seeing much in the way of rain, those temperatures will really start to warm. Low to middle 90s for highs, with those feels like values in the upper 90s and triple digits. Make sure you are staying hydrated and taking breaks in the shade as we do head into the upcoming weekend. It will be a toasty one. Monday marks the first day of June, which starts meteorological summer. Temperatures stick in the 90s through that point. Our next best chance for some heavier showers looks to come in next Wednesday, so we'll keep an eye on the middle of next week. We'll be right back.